Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat chat or message not sending on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Snapchat needs a stable connection to send message. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn aeroplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, check if Snapchat server are down. Sometimes messages won't send because Snapchat server are busy. You can check online if there is a server outage and wait for it to be fixed. Next, close and reopen the Snapchat. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Swipe away the Snapchat to close it completely. Wait a few seconds and open the app again and try sending your message. Next, update the Snapchat. Open the app store, search for Snapchat and tap update if available. Update often fix bugs that cause chat problem. Finally, check the another person account. Message may not send if the person you are messaging has blocked you or deactivated their account. And that's it. This step should fix Snapchat chat or message not sending on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.